McLaren 675 LT was pushing around 750 to 760 horsepower, and the Pista was pushing 710.
Sounds correct.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel where I just give my thoughts and opinions on what's going on in the supercar community, because in my shitty country there is no real supercars where I live to go and video, and the dealerships here, the majority of them are absolute assholes who will never help you accommodate just to even go up and record some of their cars that they have. I mean, I've tried so hard, dealerships just keep messing me around. It's very annoying. It's like they just don't want car YouTubers to be anywhere near them. I don't get it here. It's so annoying. So all I can do is give my thoughts and opinions. I am going to do my best to get you vlogs, and obviously by you subscribing, if you like this kind of stuff, we will get a project car, but I can't do it without you guys, without you subscribing, watching videos. As we get bigger, you know, as soon as I know we're going to be able to get a project car, I'll let you know, and I will show you the first paycheck of the channel when we get it. God knows when that will be. But look, it is what it is, and you know, I'm just going to roll out the videos, and if you like this kind of stuff, you know, subscribe and hit the like button and comment below. I love when you comment below. I like chatting to you in the comments below. My two regulars, you know who you are. Thanks very much for supporting the channel, and anybody that's new, thank you as well. So on today's episode, we're going to be covering Drag Times, SHMEE150 and Royalty Exotics and a few others. So we're just going to jump straight into it and get on with it. So first on our list is Drag Times. So Drag Times basically brought out a video racing a 488 Pista, I think it was, against the 675 LT that had a downpipe and a tune on it. The McLaren 675 LT was pushing around 750 to 760 horsepower, and the Pista was pushing 710. And yeah, you would think with the McLaren being lighter, I thought that the McLaren, I knew it would be close, but I thought the McLaren might edge it, but it didn't. Like, it was pretty close, but I was quite shocked at how well the Pista performed, and they sounded unbelievable. So here's a quick clip of them racing on the road. Just listen to the sound of these two cars. So what you think, guys? If you want to see the video again, links in the description below, just to see them. I'm surprised that the Pista, it was so good. I've always liked the Pista. If I had the money, would I buy one? I definitely would. I really do like them, and they're a great performance car. 675 LT is no pushover either, but I saw the results. Like, that was just one run, so there was 3 runs in total, and I think they said that the 675 LT wasn't running correctly, so who knows. They did do another clip where they were racing an Evo versus an SVJ, and that was pretty sick as well. So yeah, I mean, Drag Times, I don't recover them, but I am going to try and watch more of their videos. It's just interesting to see what they were racing and what the Pista could do up against the McLaren. And yeah, I mean, obviously the McLaren would be a lot cheaper, not a lot cheaper, but would be cheaper to have it than the 48 Pista, I'm presuming. So cool video. I'm definitely going to be checking out Drag Times more, and hopefully bring up more of their videos on the channel. Next on our list is Royalty Exotics. They have brought out a video showing, this is where they've basically gone now, Royalty Exotics, with their whole their channel. Really, you don't really see them buying cars and deliveries much anymore. It's more turned into like a repo kind of thing, which people like watching. But in doing that, they've sacrificed uploads. I wish they would upload a bit more. It looks like they're uploading once a week. I would like to see them do some more uploads and go back to seeing them build some of the cars, you know, and seeing them purchase cars, and what's going on behind the scenes. They don't seem to be doing that anymore, and like, as fun as the repos are, people do like it. I would just like to see Royalty Exotics post more. Let me know in the comments below if you do watch them and what you think of their channel and the direction they've gone in. It was still like, you know, this video obviously was the Hellcat got stolen. Well, a guy rented it. He's been renting off them for a while. Obviously, he was building a trust with them, and it looks like he took the car to LA and all around the place and brought it back. And yeah, he was two days late with it. Looks like he tried to pull the tracker out of the car. It looks like he hit another car. There was a scrape, there was a side damage on the side of the car. Yeah, you know, he's the Hellcat. They always get it back. The Royal people going through some amount of stuff with their stolen cars, and it's locals that do it then as well, like, you know, so it's a bit messed up. But I do look, it is fun to see it, but I do hope to go back posting about more car projects and more behind the scenes in the business and stuff. But look, we'll see how it goes. I just wish they post more often. So let me know in the comments below about it, what you think yourself. Next on our list is going to be Army Tricks. Haven't covered these guys before. Because we both know the two biggest exhaust manufacturers that the supercar community on YouTube usually is FI Exhaust or Army Tricks. I think Goon Squad use Army Tricks. I think Stradman uses Army Tricks, and DD use FI Exhaust. So, you know, you commonly come across them for a lot of car YouTubers out there. But I came across their channel, and they actually had a video up of GT2 RS with their exhaust system on it, and it's a beautiful car. Exact spec I go for, white with the gold wheels and some black. But yeah, here you go. Here's a quick clip of the car itself. It's gorgeous, and it does sound pretty nice as well. So yeah, guys, there you go. What do you think? Comment below. Let me know. Would you get a GT2 RS or would you get a GT3 RS? I do prefer the GT3 RS, even though the GT2 is pretty sweet and obviously one of the best cars around Nürburgring. Yeah, I mean, you know, how much are they going for? 350, I think, at the moment. Not too sure, just a wild guess. I'm presuming they're about 300,000, but definitely worth buying. And the Army Tricks exhaust would be definitely worth putting on one of those cars if you had one, indeed. So next on our list is going to be Summit Life. Haven't covered these guys in a while. The F430 is gone. What else did they get? They sold something else. He still has his wide body Cayman. So Faith ended up getting a Range Rover Sport from what I could see, and she ended up test driving, I think, a customer's their friends, is it the something Hawk, what was the name of it, you know the one I'm on about, Hawk Track Hawk, so there's this Track Hawk. Yeah, so she got to test drive it, and it's supercharged and it sounds amazing. I mean, I looked at the price of them. 2018 onwards, you're looking anywhere from like 75,000 up, and she went away and bought a Range Rover Sport. I like Range Rovers. It's nice looking. Just the reputation that goes with them is terrible. They're expensive as hell. They can cause a lot of issues. But when you hear this Jeep beast, just listen to the actual whine off the supercharging it. I would get this before I get a Range Rover all day long. There you go, guys. What you think? I love it. I'd definitely love to get. If I had the money, I'd definitely get one of those. I'm not even a Jeep guy, but my God, I would definitely buy one of them. They're quick as hell, and they just sound amazing, and they just look menacing as well. Let me know if you would buy one in the comments below. I don't even know the spec of them, to be honest. I think they're pretty quick compared to a Range Rover. Or would you get a Range Rover? Interested to hear comments below. But you know, she is saying now, well, oh, it's a goal to go towards getting the Trackhawk, I think it's called. And I mean, she has a Sport, Range Rover Sport. I think it would have cost her as much as the Trackhawk, maybe. I'm not too sure, unless she's on about getting a new one, which is over 100,000. But yeah, interesting to see that she wants the Trackhawk now instead of the Range Rover. But yeah, look, it is what it is, and we'll see if she ends up getting one. I hope she does instead of the Range Rover and sells it. Be better off. So last on our list, guys, last but not least, we're going to be covering SHMEE150. I haven't covered SHMEE in a while, but he did cover a car that I love. I really do love. He covered the AMG, or the Mercedes Sl65 Amg Black Series V12 6-litre beast. What a car. I love the shape of these cars. They look fantastic. I don't know what it is about them with the kit on them, the way the headlights are on them. Now, I'm not too fond of the wheels on this one, but I mean, it's such a beautiful looking car. I mean, look, if this channel gets anyway big enough to make enough money for me to actually get one on finance, I would not the Black Series, sorry, to get even an SL65 or a not a 65, but anyway, just one of the SL series cars and modify it and stuff like that, I would definitely do it. But you know, we have to start small, so we don't even have a project car yet. But yeah, he basically reviewed the car. It's an absolute beast. But here, the exhaust system on this thing, it's just a typical AMG V12 grunty, throaty exhaust system. I love it. Here you go.
While we're parked up, have a quick listen to this. You hear a lot more sound when you have the door and window open. There we go, some noise of the V12.
Yeah guys, what you think? I love it. It sounds so good. Would you get one? I think basically these cars, they're 6-litre twin turbo V12. They're pushing 670 horsepower with 738 pounds of torque. And they were selling at the start for 250,000. I think now they're worth around 500,000. Thereabouts, $400,000 to $500,000 to buy them. Would I buy one if I had the money? And if I was Manny Cashman rich, yes, I would. I just love them. Even his SLS is gorgeous as well. But definitely would consider buying one. Love the sound of it. Pretty good review. He wouldn't go crazy in the car, but it's me, so he was respectful. And yeah, I just love the shape of it. It was a pretty cool review. So that is basically it. And that is everything for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you watch to the end and you enjoy this kind of stuff. You know, it is what it is. All I can do for what where I am, where I live. But it's fun, and I love chatting to you guys in comments. So yes, that is it. Till the next episode, I'll have another one tomorrow. Stay safe, peace out, and bye.